I bet you've misunderstood these nature facts your whole life. Stick around to get the real scoop.
Meet the berry club. But what if I told you the banana belongs here and the strawberry doesn't? Stick around, we'll find out why shortly. A berry is a fruit from a single ovary with seeds in its flesh. Bananas fit, strawberries don't. See you, the pretender. Sorry, strawberry, you don't belong here. Welcome, banana berry.
Did you know this juicy pineapple took 2 whole years to grow? And here they are, a dad and his son, enjoying it in just 2 minutes. Nature's patience, rewarded bite by bite. Curious about this picture? The secret's in the next scene. Just like strawberries aren't berries, peanuts are not nuts. They're actually beans in disguise.
Please subscribe for more such videos.